Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing technological solutions across the world. Now, this is my uh, another video, the last video in neural network classification. So we have seen within the last four videos that how the we take the circle model. Let me show you the practical part here. Look at this. In the last few videos, four videos, right? In the last four videos, we have seen how these circles are taken, circle model, right? And then neural network. To show that neural network, we have gone through these. First of all, we have taken this torch numpy, right? Then we have created the x test and x train. Then after that, we created here the circle model, right? After that we have done this loss function, and after that all our operations we have done here, and then we checked the same model in the linear model, right? In the linear way. Let me show you that also, right? So it was showing a deviation, right? There is too much difference here. So what happens with if that prediction, we have make changes in the epochs, right? X out feature and in features, we have made changes in out features and in features. Then we run the epochs, and then we see now it is visible, right? So the trainable data and the test data. So this is what we have seen within the last four videos. Now in this video I am going to show you how these function, ReLU function and different sigmoid, they work, right? This is a very simple video. Now let me start. Just a second. Hmm. Now see here, first of all, if I look at this. First of all, A range we have seen. Now I'm just showing you the important commands and important functions which are very necessary to understand, right? So this, in this we have, I have shown you the tensor, right? I have created one tensor, that is A range function is used here. After that, if I look at this, visualizing the toy tensor, that plt dot plot A. So this is what it has shown. Now a straight line. Hmm. See here, a straight line. Now let's see how the ReLU activation function influence it, right? So I have just created one demo instance, demo data, and now I will show you here. Look at this. Def Here is the definition. Look at this. Return torch, maximum torch, tensor 0 to x. So this is a ReLU function, and here this is how it is. It has changed the data. Now suppose it looks like our ReLU function worked all the negative values also. So let me show you how what it is done. See, here you see the negative values, right? The negative values from -10 to 10. So there are some negative values. So ReLU function has removed all the negative values, and now it is replaced by 0, right? So after that, here you will see I am going to plot this. So I will plot this, and now it becomes something like this. I have plotted this same data, and with the help of ReLU, it becomes, all the negative becomes 0. Now, what if I apply sigmoid, right? So what if I apply sigmoid? So after applying the sigmoid, you will find this type of data. And then if I show you this, Wait a minute. Those values looks a lot like prediction probabilities, right? Now, if I plot the sigmoid data also. Now there is a difference between this ReLU and sigmoid. What does, it convert all the negative values into zeros, right? Now, and sigmoid has converted like this. There is a difference between the there is a difference in the chart. Okay. Now, after that, so this is how we have used this sigmoid and ReLU, right? So I was just showing you the how this function works. ReLU converts all the negative into zero, and sigmoid converts the chart in such a way, right? So it's converts in a curved plot, right? So this was all about these functions. So I recommend you to watch my previous four videos, then watch this video, and then it will be more clearer to you, right? And those who are new in this channel, so please subscribe my channel so that, and in our next video we will see some other functions, some other modules, right? So thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.